Riwruok mar Gavanas koro kwayo migao mar omenda mondo migi thuolo moromo mar tiyo gomenda ma igeno ni dhi chwalnegi juma manyien. Gavanas ywak ni poni olor thuolono kaluwore kod tarik ma chik opuodho ni lore hik omenda biro bedo matek timo dongruok gi omenda ma osedeko kapok ochopo ni counties. Walter Nyambaga nigi mathoth.
Bang' singo manyo migi ni omenda dhi donjo aguch omenda ma counties juma manyien, Gavanas go koro dwaro ni mondo migi thuolo moromo mar tiyo kod omenda michan chwalnegi juma manyien. Gavanas go wacho ni ka osom budget kapok gitiyo kod omenda maromo bilion 94, to chalo ka gima piny owacho dhi ng'wano pesano kapok counties otiyo godo. Giko ni migi nyaka tarik 15 dwe mar 7 kata odoko ni budget mar omenda mar 2022 2023 to isomo giko dwe ni.
Now, one thing that we also agreed for purpose of absorption is that the National Treasury will extend the closure of IFMIS up to 15th of July so that at least counties can be able to absorb the monies. Also, we agreed that the control of budget should also expedite approvals of all the requests from the county so that at least the monies which have been disbursed can be released as well.
Jakom komiti mar omenda riwruok mar Gavanas Fernandes Barasa wacho ni giseketo winjruok kod migao mar omenda mondo lor negi mbui mar IFMIS eka counties obed gi nyalo mar tiyo kod omenda e dino fuoge moko mosebedo nyaka ne deko mar omenda chakre.
But what we have agreed with the National Treasury is the issue of the closure of IFMIS. Once IFMIS is opened up to 15th, then of course we are sure that the monies will be spent. Now, going forward, we have also got an assurance from the National Treasury that the release of funds will be in accordance with the PFM Act, where specifically we have Section 17 that provides for the monies to be released by the 15th of every month. So we are optimistic that things will change.
Enyim od bura mar Senate, riwruok mag Gavanas opedho pachgi wi omenda mar pok maromre mag counties manichiene yore mag dongruok ka gidwaro ni mondo counties olos bod moro mabiro rango omenda go kendo bed kod teko kuom omenda go mar dongo counties mapok ogo okang' yor dongruok.
We go by the recommendation of the courts so that this funding will be released by the national government as conditional grants.
Senators go bende ne dwaro ng'eyo lai ma ibiro lu mondo yangi counties manchiene yore mag dongruok.
If you choose marginalized areas, I'll be coming here to say, give me my bit because I have Maraba slum in Kakamega town. This money should be ring-fenced for the counties that were marginalized for many years purely because of the political setup in the country.
If the national government has decided to directly implement, do it. Don't bring in the county government, the county executive committee member for finance to prepare plans and so forth and really cause a problem in accountability.
Bende giumo igi piny ningang' chenro mag thieth ok ne giduok ne sirikal mamalo kaluwore kod okenge mosego yore mag thieth mag counties.
The government since 2013 has increased their budget by more than 100 billion in terms of the health function, which is the discussion we should be having. This idea of just calling a dog a bad name and then you kill it is what gives this excuse that you can now take over the function. The biggest function and the biggest service counties are offering is a function of health. And the day the national government realizes that this service should be given its entirety to county governments with the funds, then we will be having a different story. So please change the shift.
Riwruok mar Gavanas koro chuthulu makende ne piny owacho mamalo mondo chwalnegi omenda mar pok maromre kaka yor chwalo dongruok ne gwenge mojwang' e yor makende. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV. Elere mar od bura, Nairobi. Jalup Gavana mar Kaunti ma Siaya William Oduol